Here's how you can know what type of iPhone you have. So let's get started. If it's your first time being here on this channel, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. So your iPhone is part of, it has like a name and everything. So it's like iPhone 15, 15 Pro, whatever. And you can find out about it when you go to the settings and then tap on the general section and then tap on the about. And this is going to give us all of the information that we need. So naturally, we have the model name, which in my case, it says it's iPhone 15. So if that's good enough, that's how you can figure it out and see it right here inside of the settings app. But below, we also have the model number. So it's kind of like a longer string of letters and numbers. But when you click on it, it turns into a shorter one, which starts with the letter A and 4 numbers. And this is like a distinct code which every Apple device has. And you can look information up about the iPhone using this number. So if you copy it or remember it, you can look it up online and find out some information about it. That is the model name which you can be referring to when you are like, talking about your phone to a service provider or whatever. This is the number which you can use to refer back to your device, and everybody will know which device you are talking about. So that is how you can know what type of iPhone you have. I hope I was able to explain it well. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials and upcoming videos like this one, and I'll see you in the next tutorials as well.